Most beautiful good afternoon, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and all my dear friends who gave me a golden opportunity to speak in front of you. I am Gaurav. My father name is Kamlesh Yadav. I am from Dadanpur, Airoli. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I am going to deliver my speech. My speech is about important education of our life. Before starting my speech, I want to share thought. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Now I am going to deliver my speech. Education is a means of achieving a world of all. Thus, education is essentially necessary for all. No good life possible without education. It endures the intelligence of human being develop, uses and need of the individual. It ensures his progress. Education also generalizes undevelopment capacity, attitude, interest, uses and need of the individual into desirable channels. The individual can adjust and modify his environment with the help of education as per his need. We can't do any kind of education. Education is essential aspect of human development. Now I would like to finish my speech, but before finishing my speech, I want to share some line in Hindi. जिसे खुद पर विश्वास हो वो यही कहता है मेहनत कर किस्मत का लिखा भी बदलता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच लिसनिंग टू मी.